before we even got started, I blew a hydraulic hose. So we gotta fix it. Take it off, carry it to the shop, get a new one made. Put on your safety glasses. And it's about to start raining too. Hydraulic fluid's pretty nasty. You really don't want to get it on your hands if you can help it. First thing you gotta do is try to get the hose into the hose carrier. There we go. That was easy. I hate to say it, but it looks like it's fixed. Knock on wood. Alright, it's about to rain on us, but it really doesn't matter. We got to get this stuff done. We got these 2 fields to do. Got to disc them up. That finish is killing all the organic vegetation, or all the vegetation. I cut the roots with the plow, turn it over. Now I'm going to chop it up little pieces with a disc. Let's find out what goes on. First thing, of course, you've got to go into 4-wheel drive if you're pulling one of these. Put it in mid-range right there. And let's get to pulling, see what happens. You got to set your 3-point hitch height. Then you got to set your draft control. This measures the torque off the drive shaft. So you set your depth, you set your torque. And if you're starting to dig in too much, or you're coming up too shallow, this will sink the implement in further or raise it up as necessary. And it's actually, surprisingly, it's a lot faster than what I can do by hand. You got to get it dialed in, but once you get it dialed in, it does a good job. You can hear the hydraulics whine a little bit, or you can hear the valves hit as it raises it up or down. Really cool. So you've got 3-point hitch height, and then you have real-time draft control. Pretty cool stuff. Makes doing this stuff a whole lot easier. Old Blue is a sweet one. Got an air ride seat, air conditioning, filters. Let me tell you what, it's still a rough ride in Old Blue. When I get done for the day, it feels like I've been put through a washing machine. Unfortunately, that's just part of it. You can't go too fast. You don't want to go too fast because it's hard on your equipment. So it's hard on me too, but I remember one time I was doing a little dirt work with an old tractor, and I was being a little bit too aggressive, and as I made my turn, I watched my front tire, hub, and half the axle fall out on the ground just like something on Green Acres. It was like, well, that's probably not supposed to be like that. Well, I'm still out here disking, and boy, some kind of ugly storm showing up. Look at them clouds. I'd call that a line of something. That's ominous, isn't it? Only an idiot like me would still be out in the field plowing or disking when you see something like that coming in. But man, I got to finish. Nobody ever accused me of being the smartest one. Maybe lucky, guess we're gonna find out, because I've still got a few more acres to do. And I'm going as fast as I can do it without tearing up the equipment. Unfortunately, I don't think I really want to get hit by a bolt of lightning either. So I'm just gonna keep going until the bottom drops out. If I get hit by a bolt of lightning, I'll let you know. Got to keep on keeping on. We're going to try to finish until it just gets so damn muddy. We got no traction. It is definitely raining now. Plowing in the rain. Ow, that hurt my elbow. How stupid can you get? Ha! That's just what we do. I never said I was the smartest person in a bag. I'm kind of more stubborn than most. That's pretty, isn't it? That's what everybody wants to see when they're disking a field. Big old fat raindrops coming down. Mud. That's kind of cool too. Maybe this will just blow over. Picture the pond. Hey, it's nice to have a tractor with a cab in it and a windshield wiper. Boy, I am slipping and sliding. I feel like I'm driving NASCAR. You can see it, but I'm churning. I'm actually trying to go a straight line. You can see how much I'm having to turn the steering wheel. Kind of fun. You don't see this every day, do you? Some redneck fool out in the middle of a field trying to disc mud. Oh well, you know, what are you gonna do? Oh, I can't even turn. Ha! Yeah, okay, let's put it in reverse. That's what happens when it gets muddy. You can't even turn, you lose so much traction. You can't even navigate. Come on, tractor. Big tires spinning right here. Come on, take a bite, take a bite. Oh, come on. There we go. Hey, this is fun, isn't it? Y'all enjoying this? I am. Up to date. Yeah, it's funny. You got all this high-dollar tread on these tractor tires, and it's just a big ball of mud. Get tired. Now this is pretty cool. Y'all ought to at least give me a subscribe for my stupidity and a like for my stubbornness, right? Y'all hit the subscribe and the like button, and maybe you'll get to see me do something stupid in the future too. All right, I gotta get back to it.